The next project I'm going to work on for our Thanksgiving table is our napkins. I am making them into turkeys, and I just bought 2 color napkins. Wouldn't have to be these 2 colors. I kind of like the dark and the orange, but you could do like a tan, a lighter tan, and a red. The browns for the body, and the orange is for the feathers. So all you need is 2 napkins and a piece of foil, and the foil we're going to fold in half, and the foil is going to be used to give our body some stiffness. So all you need is an iron, and you're basically going to, for the feathers, you're going to fold your napkin in half. And I bought my napkins on Amazon. They were really inexpensive, and you had a choice of a lot of different colors. I like getting my napkins there. They're reasonably priced, and you can find different colors. So all you want to do is fold it in half and iron it, and then you're just going to do an accordion fold. So I do like 4 times, and then iron it across so that it gets the creases, and then I flip it over and I accordion it the same to about here. You're going to leave that little bit so that you can tuck it, and that's what keeps it in place. So iron it like that, and then what you want to do is fold it in, then take your corner and you're going to tuck the corner into the pleat, and that's what makes it hold when you fan it out. And then I just iron that down. So if you do this ahead of time, just store it somewhere like this, and it'll keep them for the day of, and then on the day you can put them out onto your plates. Okay, to make the body, again, you're going to fold your napkin in half and just iron the fold. Then you're going to take your foil, and you're going to put your foil in the upper corner so that when you fold it in half, the foil is right at the fold, and that's going to give it some stiffness. So you just iron. You can iron right. Oh, my iron's too hard. Okay, once you have that, your foil's in the corner, you're just going to give it a turn, and you're going to fold these 2 corners in to the center so it makes like a triangle, and you're going to press this down. Then you're going to do that exact same thing again, folding it in again, so that gives it its point. That's its beak. And again, you're going to press it down. So in order to make it, you basically turn the point towards you. You're going to bend up and then bend the beak down. And the foil in there is what allows it to keep its stiffness. So then when you're ready to put it all together, you just put that behind it, and you have yourself a turkey.